Hi students, today we are going to discuss about algebraic expressions, 8th class 11th chapter. Now they discuss algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by the sign of fundamental operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called the algebraic expression. For example, 3x square y plus 7xy minus 4xy square plus 9. Constants 3 and 7 and 4 and 9. Variables x and y. Constants have fixed value. Their values do not change. 9 is the fixed value, 7 is the fixed value, 3 is the fixed value. Variables are the alphabets like A, B, C, D and so on, X, Y, Z. They do not have fixed values. Their values changes. For example, x plus 7 equal 10. X equal 10 minus 7. X equal 3. Another example, x plus 7 equal 12. X equal 12 minus 7. X equal 5. In different expressions, they have different values. 3x square y and 7xy minus 4xy and 9. These are terms. These algebraic expressions have how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Next, types of algebraic expressions. First one is monomial. Mono means one, nomials means term. What is the monomial? An algebraic expression is having only one term is called as monomial. For example, x square, y square, z square, 3xy, 4x square y. These are only one terms. It is called as monomial. Second one is binomial. Bino means two. An algebraic expression is having two terms is called as binomial. For example, 2x square y plus 3xy square. This expression is having two terms. 1, 2. This expression having two terms. 1, 2. This expression having two terms is called as binomial. Trinomial. Tri means 3. What is the trinomial? An algebraic expression is having 3 terms is called as trinomial. For example, 2x square y plus 3y square z plus 4z x square. This expression having 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. These are called trinomial. Fourth one is polynomial. Poly means many, nomials means terms, many terms. What is the polynomial? More than 3 terms is called as polynomial. For example, 2x square plus y square plus z square plus 3xy plus 4x square y. This expression having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 3 terms is called as a polynomial. Next, like and unlike terms. What is the like terms? The terms having same variables with same exponent or power is called as like terms. What is the unlike terms? If they do not follow this rule, same variables with same exponents, then this is called as unlike terms. For example, 2x, 3x, 4x square, 5x square, 6x square y, 7xy square, 8xyz. These two terms are like terms. Same variables. Same exponents. These two terms are like terms. Same variables with same exponents. These three terms are unlike terms. Different variables with different exponents is called as unlike terms. Multiplying two monomials. Observe the following products. First one is x into 3y. Product of two monomial equal x into 3y can be written as 3 into y equal 3 into x into y equal 3 into x, 3x, 3x into y, 3xy. Second one, 5x into 3y. Product of two monomial equal 5x can be written as 5 into x into 3y can be written as 3 into y equal 5 into 3 into x into y equal 5 3 is 15. X into y, xy, 15xy. Third one, 5x into minus 3y. Product of two monomials equal 5x can be written as 5 into x into minus 3y can be written as minus 3 into y equal 5 into minus 3 into x into y equal 5 3 is 15 minus 15 x into y xy minus 15xy. Fourth one, 5x into 4x square. Product of two monomials equal 5x can be written as 5 into x into 4x square can be written as 4 into x into x equal 5 into 4 into x into x into x equal 5 4 is 20. X into x, x square into x, x cube. The product of any number of monomials is a monomial. Yes. Multiplying 3 or more monomials. Observe the following examples. 1. Find the product of 5x, 6y and 7z. Solution. the product of 5x, 6y and 7z. 5x into 6y into 7z. 5x can be written as 5 into x into 6y can be written as 6 into y into 7z can be written as 7 into z. 5 into 6 into 7 into x into y into z. 5 6 are 30. 37 are 210. X into y, xy. Xy into z, xyz. 210 xyz. Example 2. Find 3x square y into 4x y square into 7x cube y cube. Solution. Factors of 3x square y. 3 into x square can be written as x into x into y into 4 into x into y square can be written as y into y into 7 into x cube can be written as x into x into x into y cube can be written as y into y into y. 3 into 4 into 7 into how many times multiplies x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. X into x into x into x into x into x into how many times multiply y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Y into y into y into y into y into y. 3 4 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84 into how many times multiply 6? 6 times. X to the power of 6 into how many times multiply y? 6 times. X y power of 6. 84 x power of 6 y power of 6.